Your phone is dead. The power is out. The cell towers are down or overloaded. It's 2 a.m. and you have no idea whether that storm is turning toward your neighborhood or moving away. This is exactly the scenario an emergency radio is built for, and exactly the moment most people realize they don't have one. Finding the perfect emergency radios can be overwhelming, with so many options offering different features, durability, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've researched dozens of models, analyzed thousands of customer reviews, and narrowed them down to the 5 best emergency radios you can buy today. Whether you need one for everyday carry, camping, DIY projects, or emergency repairs, there's an option here for every budget. Number 1. Running Snail Solar Crank Radio and Flashlight. We found the Running Snail weather radio to be simple to set up and easy to use, with a manual tuning knob to find a channel. During our tests, we weren't able to program the radio or program it for alerts, but we found the reception and audio to be clear, even in a rural, wooded area. We appreciated the dual flashlight design, with one under the solar charging panel that flips up and one on the front that's button-operated. It was portable and good for travel, fitting in any backpack and most medium-sized sling bags. We also liked how lightweight it is, with a grippy material for holding and the built-in strap with a clip in case you need to go hands-free. We found this model to be reliable, durable, and a great value. Number 2. Kaito KA500 AM/FM Radio. The Kaito KA500 radio is well-built and durable, with clear labeling for tuning and adjusting settings. We appreciated the backlit panel, making it easy to use the tune dial at night. During our tests, we took note of the wide array of charging options: hand crank, rechargeable battery, solar, and AA batteries, as well as the plethora of features such as phone charging and flashlights. Although it's made of plastic, we noticed that it felt high quality and very durable, with sturdy, integrated knobs for setting controls and tuning. Our favorite feature was the battery light indicator that was green when the battery had a lot of charge left and a red light for when it's getting low. Number 3. Eoxmile Emergency Weather Radio. This radio is straightforward and easy to use. With 5 options for powering the radio, we found it to be very versatile. Additionally, we found that the extra features such as flashlight, compass, and emergency alert made it a great choice for a variety of situations. The flashlight has 2 brightness settings that worked well, and we tested the alert system, which was very loud and would definitely wake you up if you're sleeping, even in a separate room. While the AM stations didn't always come in super clear, the FM and NOAA radio channels were crisp, and it was easy to tune and find a station, both indoors and outdoors. We liked how compact this radio is, making it perfect for use in a small apartment, travel, or a backpacking trip, and the included hand strap makes it comfortable to carry or strap onto your bag. Number 4. Midland WR400. The Midland WR400 is designed to sit on a desk, shelf, or nightstand. We love its intuitive interface and the option to tailor NOAA alerts to your local area. But what really stands out about the WR400 is its array of visual, audio, and tactile alerts, helpful for anyone, but especially for people with limited vision or hearing loss. You can customize your preferred alert settings, choosing from voice, display text, tone, and siren notifications, along with volume level options. This radio is also compatible with Midland strobe light and pillow shaker add-ons. It's less portable than our other picks, though, with fewer charging options and a less sturdy shell. Number 5. Crane CC Radio Solar. It's ideal to keep an emergency weather radio close at hand, so having one that fits with your decor is a bonus. In contrast to most brightly colored, bulky emergency radios, the Crane CC Radio Solar has a more muted, retro look that doesn't scream. Use only in case of emergency. It has the features we want from a portable emergency radio, including multiple ways to keep it charged, a flashlight, and the ability to charge other devices. Plus, its high-quality sound made it our go-to option when we just wanted to listen to music. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews. You'll find all of today's products and their latest prices in the description below. Which emergency radios is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.